So another cool project in crypto startups. So they are just starting their company, Sahara Labs. So their works in crypto space, they're doing great job. Like we talked about before, agritechs, they're doing help to farmers. But in here, Sahara Labs is doing. Sahara is a decentralized AI network offering Sahara knowledge agent, and their AI blockchain company. Maybe never before has any AI company, and they are already raised a lot of money. They are raised a lot of money. Maybe they are intending to doing cool things, and they are rising from Binance give Sahara Labs money, Polychain gave money so to Sahara. So she has a lot of cool investor did invest on this cool project. So it is awesome. So here is I'm making this video cause of its cool project in crypto. Maybe something good is happening like Ethereum, Uniswap, this type of stuff. So here is one thing keep in mind is if you noticed in here. So if I go their website in here, so everything you will understand the decentralized AI blockchain platform for an open, equitable, and collaborative economy. So here is one thing cool. You can join their waitlist in early because they are going to launch their testnet Q4 of 2024, like September, October, November, December. That at that time they will launch. So here is their roadmap. If you noticed here, Q3 2024, Sahara a marketplace, will be launched. Sahara chain testnet Q4 will become. So before, like now, its existence waitlist, you can still participate on their potential in order to join potential testnet. So their testnet is in here. So Sahara chain mainnet is going to be live Q1 2025, and that's it. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.